So I have been thinking about taking a break from riding. Basically, this shit's expensive, man. This shit's really expensive, guys. I've also just bought a house. Like, I moved in about 6 months ago, and I've been 6 years, okay? And it needs renovation. And I've been renovating it. I've been spending all my bloody money on renovating it. And also the cost of food is so high. The cost of petrol is ridiculous. Thinking about taking a break from riding, but days like this, rides like this, make me think I'm silly. But I shouldn't take a break. You guys are counting on me to make more ZX12R videos, aren't you? Yes, you are. Whee! Oh, that's a nice corner. Look at that. It's like it just goes, but you don't know until you get there. I'm getting pretty good at leaning now, I think. Like a lot better than last year, I think. I don't know, I just kind of trust. I think a lot of it is the tires, guys. If you're scared of leaning, maybe it's just your tires are shit. Yeah, and maybe your suspension settings. Maybe your suspension needs a renewal. Like, you can really feel the road more with like everything set up properly. And you can feel that it's gripping more. You know what I mean? What a freaking amazing road this is, though. Yeah, so I've been thinking about taking a break from riding. I maybe selling the 12R. I am gonna need a whole bunch of money to finish the house. I am gonna need a bit of money to pay for my new car and all that kind of stuff, and obviously bikes. Like, just thinking about it today, I came out, I probably spent about 40-50 pounds on petrol alone, and obviously there's the maintenance costs and all that kind of stuff, you know. So I don't know, boys, will you miss me if I take like a year off riding bikes? Will you miss me? Maybe. I have been thinking as well, if I do get a different bike, I'm gonna get a naked bike, because right now my elbows, my shoulders, my back's kind of hurting, my ass is hurting too, because, you know, a little bit leaned forward. And it's just tired. It's tiring, boys. But I live around really nice roads now. Like, I don't have to ride 2 hours to get to my favorite roads anymore, because I moved house. I live close by. So I have been thinking about getting like a 600. Just for these roads. I look at this shit, man. This is so fucking cool. These roads are amazing. Imagine being on this road on a 600. These corners right here will just be phenomenal. But something does tell me it is a bit more impressive if I do all of this on a 1200cc bike. Like, just throwing around a 1200 like it's light, you know. This is a really fucking heavy bike, if you didn't know. It's pretty much the same weight as a Hayabusa. It's the same weight as a big adventure bike, maybe even like heavier than a GS or something. And it just, you know, it does take a little bit of effort to turn sometimes. There's that road done. Oh yeah. There's that road done. How about that? Fantastic.